So let us start with the introduction. What is Java? Java is a multi-platform, object-oriented, and a class-based programming language that allows us to create different applications and softwares. So Java has various applications, that is banking, transaction management. One of the biggest uses of Java is in your hands right now, that is your Android phone. Most of the applications in Android are coded using Java. We can create awesome desktop applications through Java, and we can do much more with it. So what do I mean when I say object-oriented? Object-oriented simply means to use an object as a structure of programming language, that is using the real-world entities such as inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation, objects, and classes in a programming language. We will discuss about this later in the lecture series. Right now, it's all you need to know. See you guys in the next lecture. We will learn a bit more about Java, and we'll start with the environment setup.